guys, it's Diamond, and welcome back for another video. So today I'm going to be doing a rebuild. Okay, so this is going to be a rebuild of the Bears. I'll take one Mizzle. Does anybody want him? No, I'm gonna actually offer up my Roy Robertson Harris. No. Jordan Howard for Leonard Williams. Nope. Okay, the quotes. How does Andrew Luck? Code. And then add in a 3rd round pick. No, a 1st round pick. Now let's add in a 3rd round pick. Nope. Hold on. They need a free safety. No, they need a linebacker. Nick Kozlowski? No. How about their Sherrick McManus? Palau Nicholas? Nope. The Buccaneers want him. Jason Pierre-Paul just for Jordan Howard? No. Oh, just the 1st round pick? Nope. So close. 3rd round pick also. Yes! And we're going to do 2 more trades. I'm going to trade away Chase Daniel. Wait, no, I'm not trading away Chase Daniels. Kevin White. Ooh, the Cardinals want him. Oh, for Corey Peters. So close. Chase Daniels. Boom. So I think that should be all. I'll be back when the simulation is done. So we're done with it, and oh my goodness, we made the playoffs. Yearly awards? No way, Mitchell Trubisky got it, and then hold on. Coach of the Year, Matt Nagy. We went 16-0. What? Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so how that happened? I'll just send the upgrades. Boom. 37 players were upgraded. Wow. Adrian Amos is injured. And James Daniels was injured. So, hold on. Whoa. So, what else do I do? Hold on. Okay, I'll go to the divisional round. Yeah, I'm here, so let's check out the stats for the team. We got the third offense and the first defense. Weekly awards. Wait, NFL records. That's in there, intimidate. Hold on. Rushing yards. Rushing touchdowns. Yards. No. Receiving touchdowns. Catches? No. Sacks? No. Interceptions? No. How about season yard? Touchdowns in the season. Okay, rushing yards? No. Okay, so let's go on to this. Let's just sim this. And yo, we made it. Okay, who has upgrades? We'll upgrade them. Kyle Fuller, a man-to-man upgrade. Deion Sims, a position upgrade. Okay, so who's the injured? Who's injured? Come on, we can do this. Whoa, we made it! We're going against the Jacksonville Jaguars. Mitchell Trubisky's the okay, wait, hold on. That's our player. That's our player. That's our player. I don't really care about offensive line. Khalil Mack here. That's our player. Okay, so wait, hold on. Khalil Mack had 8 tackles and 2 sacks. Wow. Let's upgrade our players also. I'll upgrade these two. Roquan Smith. Field Journal. And Eddie Goldman is a run stopper. Gonna send these two. So yeah, I'm gonna play the Super Bowl on here, okay? Here we go. Yes. We will only play the moment. I'm just kidding. You think I'm actually kidding? I'm gonna enjoy the moments. I'll be back when this loading screen is up. Okay, here we are. A moment here. Jacksonville's on our 11. We can bend, but don't break. So okay, 3rd down and 2. Oh, they got the 1st down. Oh no, it's 4th and inches. Okay, I'll just let them get a field goal. I will play all the 4th quarter though. No! No! It's 3rd down here. Okay. Okay, we can probably just kick a field goal from here. Big field goal. Oh, I missed it. Okay, here I go. We can do this. 6-0. Come on, can we just get the interception here? Nine to 0 probably unless I can get. Yep, it's 9-0. 3rd down. Come on. Here we go. No. 4th down now. Great. No, no, no. 2-minute drill. Come on. Okay, no yards there. Hold on. Gabriel has an 8-speed advantage here. Oh man. 7 out of 14. Come on, it's 3rd down here. He got it! Come on. Come on, come on. Jesus. Let's keep rolling out. Whew. Running for the touchdown there. Oh, it doesn't really matter because that means that I get to just, I can just take the lead now. Whew, what? He's still up. Oh, wait, hold on, guys. We're gonna play the whole game now. We made it. Okay, we're almost there. Come on, can we get him here? No, we got a one-handed catch. What? Blake Bortles is not throwing that clearly. Okay, let's just put my adjustments on. Darn it, they got a touchdown. They're going for 2. Yes! If I get a touchdown, I get the lead. Good job, defense. Come on, Bunny Cunningham. Bunny Cunningham. No way. Okay, yeah, he's gonna get caught probably. Yep, he does. But that's that is a unnecessary roughness. Now we get 1st and 10 on opponent's 15. Boom, touchdown. We're gonna go for 2. What? I got in, but my knee didn't touch. Okay, got him? Yeah, go hurry up. Penalty here. Darn it! It's a first down. There we go. Darn it. What are they doing? They're getting themselves out of field goals range is what they're doing. Yes. No, 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 no. Boom, timeout. And no, they made it. And now we have 31 seconds to get the lead back. Taylor Gabriel. I've been trusting my run game this whole entire game. Now I've got to trust my pass game. And it worked. Oh man. We made it. this game. It's gonna be a man up deep. He got it, oh my gosh, so close. And that is the game. Our team went undefeated, won the Super Bowl. It's crazy. Okay, just upgrade all those players for me. Thank you, 6 players upgraded. That is amazing. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.